Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video lecture yesterday, we can study that is the neutralization reaction. When acid and base react with each other, form salt and water. When strong acid react with strong base, that forms a salt, and that is the neutral salt. Hence, product in this chemical reaction is neutral. Neutral product is there. Neutral salt is there. Hence, that chemical reaction is called a neutralization reaction. Here, dear student, today we study that is acid and base in a water solution. What is the behavior of acid and base in a water solution? How that acid and base can be behaved in a water solution? Or what is the role of acid and base in a water there? When we prepare the solution of acid in water and solution of base in water. Because in neutralization reaction, that acid required in an aqueous medium and base also required in an aqueous medium, because when acid and bases are present in aqueous medium, their ionization takes place. Dear student, here ionization of acid and base is required here to produce the salt and water during this neutralization reaction. Dear student, what is ionization? Ionization means a separation of ion, means positive ion and negative ion in their aqueous medium is called ionization of that substance. Means in this way, here important point, we study the behavior of acid and base in a water solution, and there is one topic of hydronium ion. What is the meaning of hydronium ion? Firstly, here we study that is hydronium ion there. What is hydronium ion? And how it can be produced there. Look, that is first important point. Ionization of HCl takes place in aqueous medium. Ionization of HCl takes place in aqueous medium. What is in my aqueous medium? Aqueous means a water solution of HCl. Here ionization means, what is the ionization? Look here, HCl that we represent AQ means the water. AQ indicate aqueous. It is the water solution here that can produce their H positive aqueous plus Cl negative aqueous. Means HCl is a compound here which can be separated into the two ions, hydrogen positive ion and chlorine negative ion. That process is called ionization there. Ionization of HCl means, what is the definition of ionization? Separation of ions from compound. Separation of ions from compound in a aqueous medium. In aqueous medium called ionization. In aqueous medium, that is called ionization. Here HCl gets separated into H positive and Cl negative in a water solution there. Means that is the behavior of HCl to produce H positive and Cl negative ion in a water solution, that is called ionization of HCl. When that H positive ion can be separated there, dear student, this hydrogen positive ion is a very sensitive ion. It not remains alone into the water. Means it not remains a single form into the water. It reacts with water molecule again and forms a H3O positive ion, and that is called a hydronium ion. H3O positive ion is called a hydronium ion there. Means how we write that is that H positive ion not exist alone, but it combine with water molecule. It combine with water molecule forms H3O positive ion called hydronium ion. Means this H3O means H2O plus H positive. H2O plus again one H, that forms a H3O, and that is called a hydronium ion. What is the equation? That H positive plus H2O, that gives H3O positive, and that ion is called H3O positive, is called a hydronium ion. Means in this way, dear student, there is one question, what is hydronium ion? Then you can write a such type of these 3 points here. Ionization of HCl takes place in aqueous medium. HCl aqueous, that gives H positive aqueous plus Cl negative aqueous. Then separation of ions from the compound in aqueous medium called ionization. H positive ion not exist alone, but it combines with water molecule and forms a H3O positive. That is called hydronium ion. Means that H positive ion can be produced into the water solution of HCl. That H positive ion not remains alone there, not stay alone there, but it instantly combines with that another water molecule that produce the H3O positive ion, and that is called a hydronium ion. Means in this way, that is the answer of question. But during this neutralization reaction, that HCl aqueous and NaOH aqueous, they get firstly ionized there. In my extra day video, last video, we can study neutralization reaction, during which that HCl react with NaOH, that forms a NaCl plus H2O. But how that NaCl and H2O gets formed, look towards this process. How that HCl and H2O gets formed, that products in neutralization reaction. How we indicate that product can be produced in this neutralization reaction? Look here, ionization of HCl firstly. Ionization of HCl. Look towards this equation, HCl aqueous. It gets ionized H positive plus Cl negative in a aqueous medium. HCl aqueous gets ionized there, H positive aqueous plus Cl negative. Then ionization of NaOH. That base also ionized there in a aqueous medium. That NaOH aqueous, it gets ionized Na positive aqueous plus OH negative aqueous. Dear student, this Na positive is a metal positive ion and Cl negative is a non-metal negative ion. That Na positive combined with Cl negative, that forms a NaCl. Products are there. Products in neutralization reaction, that Na positive aqueous combined with Cl negative aqueous, that produce the common salt NaCl. That produce common salt NaCl. Then H positive during ionization of HCl, OH negative during ionization of NaOH, they gets combined and to forms a water. Means H positive aqueous plus OH negative, that forms a H2O. Means NaCl and H2O are the products in neutralization reaction. These are the two products in neutralization reaction. Means in this way, that neutralization reaction can be completed here. Why we call it is the neutralization? Because strong HCl is a strong acid, NaOH is a strong base, they react with each other. When strong acid and strong base react with each other, that forms a NaCl is a common salt there, and that salt is a neutral. Product in this chemical reaction is a neutral, then that is called neutralization reaction. Dear student, look here. When strong acid react with weak base, then product is acidic in nature. Salt is an acidic salt. If that strong base react with weak acid, then nature of salt is a basic, because that nature of salt is depend upon the nature of that acid, concentration of acid and concentration of base. Means in this way, that is the role or behavior of acid and base in a water solution, and that is the topic of hydronium ion. And in this way, that is the products in neutralization reaction. Dear student, this topic is a very important topic. Today here in this video lecture we complete the chemical properties of that acid and base or chemical reactions of acid and base. In my next video we can start a next topic here related to salt there. You know, acid, base and salt is a chapter there. Here today we complete the acid and base, then we start a next topic in tomorrow video, that is salts and different chemical properties and uses of that salts. Means in this way, dear student, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to watch all my videos there and to learn total syllabus there by video lecture. Because when the school also open, I am completing and that video lectures my regularly there, because I give the practice to you, extra practice to you during such by making the video lectures and by such video lecture there. Hence, please subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching this video.